Hey ladies, if you want to see how I got this cute look with this everyday makeup look with this beautiful Dare to Have hair, make sure you keep watching this video. Hey mama, so today I'm going to show you guys this Dare to Have hair. It is 32 inches. It is a frontal wig. She also sent me these cute little clips. I'm going to put all the information in the description box on this hair, and I even got this silk scarf with it. I'm going to show you guys this lace. The lace is transparent. The frontal is transparent. And guys, look how nice this lace is. Like, it literally melts into my skin. So I'm about to bleach the knots. You guys know I like to make sure the bleach is nice and thick so it doesn't bleed through. Now, if y'all know, I've been working with Dare to Have hair for a couple years on and off. I used to model for her years ago. And when I say her hair is A1, it is A1. So I'm going to put some shimmer lights on this and let it sit to get rid of that orangey color. After I wash and condition, I then pluck the hair. And after I pluck, I'm going to be using this Isha glue to install the wig. So as you can see, after the hair is plucked, I'm just taking the wig and aligning it to my hairline and then pressing the lace down to the glue. I cut it into 3 sections. So I'm just going to show you guys one section, because I have many videos on this, and then I blow dry it down until the white goes away. And this is just easier for me to apply my wigs like this, okay? So that I can get a clear view, I like to take some foam and get all the hair out my way so I can make sure everything is aligned to my hairline. And I also do this before I cut out the little flaps for my ears and cut the lace, just to make sure that it matches my hairline, okay? So I'm just combing it back. And if you use foam, this makes it much easier. So I just cut the lace matching my hairline. After the lace is cut, I'm just taking a napkin with some alcohol and just wiping off the excess glue. Y'all, look at this lace. Like, this shit melts into my skin. Excuse my language, but like, I am in love. And wait till I wet this hair, you're gonna see how beautiful it is. So now for the baby hairs, I'm just going to, I like to have like those 2 little sides of baby hairs, if you know what I mean. So I like to pluck more to make it a little bit thinner. I hate thick baby hairs. I'm gonna pluck where I want it to lay. And then I'm also going to pluck behind the hair so it can kind of give it like that kind of baldish look. I know it sounds weird, but it makes it look so natural, so just watch. Normally I cut my baby hairs with a razor, but I can't find it. So now I'm just going to use scissors and cut it in like a angle, if that makes sense. And this is just going to make it look a little bit more natural. And to lay it, I'm going to be using Nairobi foam. This foam is so good, guys. Like, my lace does not lift when I use this foam. It's like extra sticky and it just makes everything lay. I got so hyped when I was doing these baby hairs. So I actually went back in and started messing with it again, but I don't know. Like, I love doing my baby hair, so it's really hard for me to explain, so you'll just have to watch. As you can see, I'm hype. I'm going back in, messing with it again. So now, once I did the front baby hairs and all of that, I'm going to be taking some black spray and putting that where my part is, just to define it a little bit more. So to melt the lace a little bit more, I'm going to be taking this silk scarf, which I love. It is so cute. And this is going to set my baby hairs and really melt the lace and make sure everything sticks and dries. And I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. So this primer, I love this primer. It's like a jelly primer, guys, and it really makes my skin look super, super dewy. Well, I know that everybody has their own opinion on this Fenty Hydration Pro Filter foundation, but I love it, and I get it in the color 310. Now the key is I'm going to be looking a little bit ghosty right now, but you have to make sure it dries, and then it will be true to my color. With that same NARS concealer that I use for my brows, I'm going to just use that to conceal under my eyes, my nose, and my chin. And this is in the color Parlene. And I'm going to put all the information in the description box, so if I didn't talk at some parts, don't worry. So the powder that I'm going to be baking with is from Huda Beauty, and I got it in the color Blondie. I absolutely love, 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 love this powder, okay? I just can't wait to finish my makeup so y'all can see my hair, so I'm going to just shut up. What do you think? Hey guys, so I took my scarf off. Everything is laying beautifully. So I'm just taking this bottle of water and I'm just going to part my hair into 2 parts, and I just want to get the hair fully coated in water. So as y'all can see, I have this rag little dress on that I clean the house with because I know it's going to get wet. So don't mind that, but I'm just getting the hair drenched so that we can get these curls defined. Now I'll be using this Palmer's leave-in conditioner for curly hair. This is going to make my curls really pop, so I'm just going to get all that evenly through the hair as well. Oh, you guys, this hair is so full. Like, I can't believe how full it is, and it's just so thick, and it's not even like heavy or anything. Like, I just love it. It's 32 inches, y'all. I know I keep saying that, but I love it. Like, look at those curls. Look at them. Look at them. So she also gave me these clips, so I'm going to style my hair with these clips. Don't mind, I have to add more makeup to the top because that's where the scarf was laying, so don't mind that. But these clips is really going to add to my look.
Look, I can't even spell diplomacy. I'm sorry about the way things went down, but make no mistake, I am qualified to be.
So now that that's all done, I'm about to change my outfit. Y'all, look at this hair. I'm so hyped. Like, oh my god, I'm going to be using this hair for a photo shoot too, so you guys will see more pictures of it. So that is the complete look, you guys. Make sure you shop Dare to Have Hair. Like I said, I've been wearing her hair for years, and this is definitely my go-to. All the information will be in the description box. Bye, comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys.